Welcome, it's Liam again. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through accessing the persona feature. There are two ways to do it, so let's dive in. The first method is accessing personas directly from your project's story map. Navigate to the Persona button on the top navigation bar. Here, you can browse all the personas in that project, including global personas. Click on any persona to view details or make edits. To create a new persona, simply find the plus button in Global or Project Persona section. You can also enable a persona option in Story Map and add it to your Story Map goals. The second method is through the Apps menu. Access the ProductGo app from the Apps menu, then find the Personas option. Here, you can browse all available personas in your Jira instance using filters like Latest, Recent, Bookmark, and Persona types. Click on any persona to see the details or make edits. To create a new persona, click on the New Persona button. And that's how you access the Persona feature in ProductGo. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.